You can play a practical support role while a family member unclogs the toilet to speed the repair and keep everyone safer. Start by positioning yourself to control the environment. Turn off the water supply at the shutoff valve behind the toilet to prevent flooding and set down absorbent towels to catch spills. Count plunges allowed and keep a steady pace, so the person plunging does not overexert and can focus on technique, which is to maintain a good seal and use slow, steady pushes and pulls rather than rapid jerks. Hand tools when asked, and hold a stock of protective gloves, eye protection, and a trash bag so the person plunging does not have to stop to search for items. If a plumber snake is required, help by feeding the cable gently and cranking in short bursts while watching for resistance so the operator can feel obstructions without losing control. Monitor for signs of backflow or sewage smells and be ready to ventilate the room by opening a window or running an exhaust fan. These steps reduce airborne contaminants and odors. Finally, after the blockage clears, help with a controlled flush test, then assist with cleanup by disposing of contaminated materials and sanitizing surfaces with a household bleach solution of 1 part bleach to 9 parts water, keeping bleach off metal and fabrics. People often try too many plunges too fast, which tires the operator and decreases seal quality, so count the plunges and use steady motions to preserve energy and seal integrity. A second common mistake is failing to shut off the water, which risks overflow, so locate and close the shutoff valve immediately and keep towels ready. Third, some helpers hand tools without direction and create hazards, so listen closely, ask before touching, and hand items handle first or place them on a stable surface within reach. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that fits their skills. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share tips like these and trade local recommendations so we can all get projects done more smoothly.